guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jimreen. I actually did a get ready with me with this look. Should I say get ready with me? Well, kinda. It's kinda like a get ready with me video. I'm actually not going to talk throughout the video of me creating this look for you guys. But as of right now, I thought, maybe I'll make a video now and talk to you guys. Today is Thursday, July 5. It is the day after the July 4th. I hope you guys had a great July 4th because I did. I was so busy with my family. I did not have time to even, video the whole entire time on July 4th. Me, Marvin, and the kids got ready yesterday morning. We actually woke up pretty early and got ready, and then we head out to go watch the parade, the July 4th parade. And then we got home and we were just so super tired because after that it was just super sunny. Like, the sun was hot. We got home after the parade and we just all knocked down and sleep. Like, we all fell asleep. So we fell asleep probably 4 or 5 hours, I think so. And then we woke up again and then we're like, hey, we're hungry, we went and eat. And then after that we waited till 10 p.m. Like, we were just hanging out with the family. And then after that we waited till 10 p.m. And when it was like 9:30ish, I think, we got ready. We took our fireworks outside. We just popped fireworks all night last night. And then, I was just so super tired. I had no time to even pull out my camera and make a video. And I apologize for that. Sometimes as a mom, you get really busy. I don't know how some other YouTubers can do it. For me as a new YouTuber, it's really kind of hard. I'm still trying to get used to making videos and watching my babies at the same time, or editing videos and watching my kids at the same time. It's really hard. And editing a video, it's not easy, guys. It's literally not easy. I give you props to all the YouTubers that do daily videos, because editing, it's super hard. For me, it is hard. If I edit one video, it can take me all night trying to put it together, even though it's just going to be a short video. But yeah, that was yesterday's story. And today I just basically cleaned our room, me and Marvin's room, did laundry, and just watched my kids and made a video. I get ready with with me. So I actually did this look for you guys. I'll go ahead and put the video in so you guys can watch as well. I just put my hair in a ponytail. I honestly don't have time to actually fix my hair. I don't know. I'm more like a ponytail kind of girl, or a bun kind of girl. Yeah, that's just me. Or I'll just let my hair down and put my sunglasses somewhere here to kind of hold my hair back. I really don't do hair stuff, is because I hate spending time on my hair. The only time I can spend so much on my hair if I straighten my hair or if I curl it. But to do all those braiding and all those fun stuff on your hair or on my hair, I don't do that. I don't do none of that. If I were to do it, I'll probably go to a hairstylist or ask whoever knows how to do it to do my hair. If you guys notice, my hair has always been black and it stays black. I don't know if I can ever dye my hair. I never see my hair in a different color, so I rather just stay like this. My hair is actually naturally kind of brownish. If I sit under the sun, it's more light brown, but I always dye it black, super black. I stay jet black on my hair all the time. That's just me. That's how I like my hair. And yeah, my outfit today is this blouse. I don't know if it's a blouse. I have no idea. The detailing, it's so freaking nice. all that. But yeah, I'm just pairing it with some leggings, and yeah. And my watch, thank you Jarena, I freaking love my watch. I always use my watch all the time. The reason why is because I have a super tan line right now. It's ugly going around without my watch. Okay, Marvin's here. But yeah, I have to wear my watch all the time. Yeah. Oh, since Marvin's here, I know he's not gonna wait for me, so I have to hurry up and speed up this video. I'm eating chips. These are on the border tortilla chips, and I am eating these chips with salsa. I thought Marvin is here. You want to come in here? No? Okay. That was rude.
Eating my chips, huh?
I actually bought that chips. But yeah, I have to go now since Marvin's here. And I have like probably like 35 minutes before work starts. And yeah, I'll go ahead and include that video that I made for you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.
so what's good with you? She got the kind of things that you would only see on an angel. Nobody that listens to me from every angle. I wanna get her all alone, hope she lets me take her home. Only get down like that because she's a